MicroCare is the industry leader in critical cleaning. Your sophisticated parts and equipment must be perfectly clean to run smoothly and efficiently. The MicroCare innovative formulations provide exceptional critical cleaning results for better, faster, safer cleaning. Our critical cleaning lab experts are eager to help troubleshoot your cleaning methods. Our chemists run cleaning trials to determine the best cleaning fluid and process for your needs, while our knowledgeable sales team provides on-site cleaning audits and demos. We test on your parts to achieve the most effective cleaning with the best performance. We create customized formulas and processes for faster and lower cost per part cleaning while ensuring compliance and safety. Let us show you how to discover perfectly clean at microcare.com.